Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Rippling for HSA and payroll contributions, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Rippling website. Log in to your Rippling account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard menu on your screen. From the dashboard, find the section labeled Benefits. Click on Benefits to view your options. Look for the Health Savings Account or HSA option. Select the HSA option to proceed. You will now see information about contributions and enrollment. Review the details provided, including contribution limits and plan features. You will be prompted to select your contribution amount. Choose your desired contribution amount based on your financial plan. Double-check the selected amount to ensure accuracy. After confirming your contribution, proceed to the next step. You may be asked to provide banking information for fund transfers. Enter your banking details carefully and securely. Review all entered information to ensure it is correct. If everything looks accurate, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your enrollment. Now, return to the dashboard to check your payroll contributions. Locate the Payroll section in the main menu. Click on Payroll to view your current settings. Ensure your HSA contribution is reflected in your payroll deductions. If adjustments are needed, follow the prompts to modify your payroll settings. Make any necessary changes and save your settings. You will receive notifications confirming your updates. Lastly, monitor your account for your HSA contributions to begin reflecting in your balance. Your subscription for HSA and payroll contributions through Rippling is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.